Ah, yes, those Australians.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to Marvellous Mosaics of Antiquity, a journey back through thousands of years of art, craftsmanship, and history. In this series, we'll explore some of the most incredible mosaics ever created. These works aren't just decorative, they tell stories of empires, battles, daily life, and the people who created them, piece by piece. For this week's installment, we'll be taking a look at none other than
The Lion Hunt Mosaic. This mosaic is over 2,000 years old and shows a dramatic life-or-death battle between humans and a lion, and it may even depict Alexander the Great himself. But what makes this mosaic truly incredible is how much movement, emotion, and detail was created using nothing but small stones. This ancient Greek mosaic, discovered in Pella, the capital of ancient Macedonia, dates back to around 300 BCE, making it one of the earliest known examples of highly detailed mosaic art. And unlike later Roman mosaics made with cut tiles, this one was created using nothing but natural pebbles. Despite the simple pebbles, the level of detail rivals paintings. The mosaic shows two hunters engaged in a dramatic lion hunt. At the center, a powerful lion lunges forward, attacking one of the men. One hunter is thrusting a spear towards the lion, and the other stands on foot, dangerously close, facing the animal head-on. You can feel the tension in this scene. It captures a single, intense moment, right before the outcome is decided. Some historians believe the hunter may represent Alexander the Great and his companion. Lion hunting was often associated with power, bravery, and royalty in ancient Greece, and Alexander himself was known for participating in lion hunts. While we can't say for certain, the symbolism strongly suggests that this could represent a royal or heroic figure. This piece was created using naturally shaped pebbles. Artists carefully selected stones based on the size, shape, and color, and then arranged them to create shading, movements, and form. What's really impressive is the artist used early techniques to create shadows, depth, muscle definition, and movement. Even without modern tools, they were able to create a sense of realism. There are also outlines made using darker stones, which help define shapes and add contrast. Lion Hunt Mosaic represents a turning point in mosaic history. It shows the transition from simple decorative patterns to detailed narrative artwork. This style would later influence Greek mosaics, Roman mosaics, and even Byzantine art. It's one of the earliest examples of mosaics being used to tell a story. The mosaic was discovered in the ruins of ancient Pella, and like many ancient artworks, it survived due to being buried and protected over time. Today, it remains one of the most important examples of early mosaic art. What's fascinating is that the same principles used in this mosaic are still used by artists today. Careful placement, attention to detail, and building an image piece by piece. Even with all our modern tools, the core process hasn't changed in over 2,000 years. The Lion Hunt Mosaic isn't just an ancient artwork, it's proof of how skilled and creative early artists were, using only natural materials to capture movement, emotion, and storytelling. So I'm curious, do you prefer these early pebble mosaics, or the more detailed Roman-style mosaics made with tiles?
next time you see a mosaic, remember that this art form has been used to tell stories, capture moments, and preserve history for thousands of years. And if you want to learn how to create mosaics yourself, or learn about other marvelous mosaics of antiquity, then you'll love this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.